It's a quick video just showing our latest roof clean. We started this one this morning. It's around about lunchtime now. All the lower extension has been scraped because it's real heavy moss build up. Then we've just gone over pressure washing it. So we've done that this morning. See the way they come up, absolutely great. Obviously once it's washed we apply the fungicidal wash just to give it added protection. On this one there's a little bit of repointing that he's doing, a couple of ridge tiles need rebedding, but nothing major. You can see the difference there. That's our recycling trailer. So as usual, while we're washing, all gets vacuumed out of the gutter and the water gets reused. This saves a waste. Obviously in the UK at the moment there's a bit of a shortage up north, suffering a bit. Down south it's still ample, but it's still worth the recycling. Just makes sense for us, just makes it cleaner way of working. You can see how heavy the moss is. We're working down here as normal. Rope access, you can see the ropes anchored at the back. So yeah, we'll be on this 2-3 days. There's a conservatory down below that needs doing as well. So it's just a real quick video. Thanks for watching.